Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Partner RT. Today we will learn make sentences. Let's start. Air has weight. See, I can see. Cannot, I cannot fly. Empty, the glass is empty. Football, I have a football. Wet, my bag is wet. Need, I need a pen. Pond, fish lives in pond. Clean, I clean my room. Waste, we should not waste clean water. Today is our holiday. Raincoat, I have a raincoat. Moon, we see the moon at night. Night, I sleep at night. Earth, the earth is round. Star, the sun is a star. Cold, it is a cold season. Girl, I am a girl. Fly, the bird can fly. Pet. The dog is a pet animal. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.